Čau, mňau, hau, vítajte všetci. Ideme začať kotko od znova. Vítajte všetci, takže len Ninka, ak si to vôbec teda pozrieš. Ideme do toho, dúfam, že všetky nastavenia mi pôjdu a že actually z tohto nejaké video vyjde, lebo ak nie, tak sa Janila ja si obesím. Ups, sorry, mám trošku senzitívny mikrofón, takže ak budeš počuť ako tu robím všetko, tak my bad. Možno aj ťukanie do klávesnice bude počuť, ale akože už na to nemám náladu, fakt. Takže ideme na to, no. Teším sa, aj keď z týchto prvých chapters som už fakt, že akože prestimulovaná, lebo som to načala proste 500 krát pred týmto, ale nevadí. Let's go! OK, takže intro by sme mali. A ideme trošku do Presence. Teda nie, do Fest vlastne. Let's go.
Go for actual. LZ is in sight. Looks like our boys are right on time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so.
OK, tell him.
Watch it at 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, send traffic.
General Barkov has sent a new shipment of chlorine gas to his depot. But his mercs are prepping to move the chems into Urzikstan via convoy tonight. You're still clear to engage, but live fire on Russian military is prohibited. We cannot have an international incident.
No guarantees Russian army won't respond on this, Kate.
Understood, Alex. Just locate the gas, commandeer Barkov's trucks, and get off the X before the tide turns.
Copy, Watcher. We'll handle it.
OK. Hold on, trošku si to stíšim, lebo dúfam, že ti to nebude húkať. Dúfam, že ja ti nebudem húkať, lebo mám to celkom nahlas.
We need to keep this on a tight loop. Barkov's men are moving the gas tonight.
Ja
What are the odds we run into General Barkov? Russian general wouldn't be caught
som
dead out
chlapci,
here.
už idem. No, takže ideme tu niečo zistiť. Uvidíme, čo zistíme. Čo tu je bordel? Hej, to sa nepatrí v prírode. Pozrite, aká pekná džungla.
Heads up.
OK.
Hearing two. Looking for us. Two mercs, no uniforms.
Что-то слышу. Сейчас. Эй! Кто здесь? Выйди! Покажись!
No, takže ideme na nich.
Down. We're clear. Copy.
Let's
Post up on
go.
the ridge and let's get the lay of the land.
Kokotkovia, ste si mysleli.
Echo 3-1 to Blue Viking 5. Call for fire. Stand by for target confirmation.
Copy 3-1. Viking is standing by.
Let's recce the area
Okay.
and make sure there's no Russian army down there.
Poďme to zistiť.
Vehicle coming in the main gate.
Kde?
Medium
Oh,
transport
dobre.
truck.
Transport for the gas.
OK. Let's get the gas.
Vehicles on the move.
One in the tower. Left side high, not army.
A to jak vieme? Army? Ja som Army. Army keep
Check the
fighting.
railway.
Kde? A
Movement
to
in
oni
the rail
nevedia.
yard.
To
That's
len
how the gas
laser?
comes in.
Alebo čo?
No Russian military presence. Call it in, CIA.
OK, CIA, let's go.
Blue Viking 5, this is Echo 3-1. Troops in the open, south gate. You are cleared hot.
Presne, bombardujte ich všetkých.
5 seconds.
Baby, wow. To je pekné.
Echo 3-1, good effect on target. Viking is RTB. Good hunting.
Much obliged, Viking. We'll take it from here.
Poďme na nich. No, šup, hop, jeden, hop, druhý. Je niekto za mnou? Nie. Sme traja. Super. Nie, už idú. Nesekaj mi, prosím. Prosím.
Здесь люд. Найдите их и убейте, иначе генерал убьет нас.
No a kedy?
Рассредоточиться! Если что увидите, стреляйте!
Strieľajte.
Clear. Force up.
OK. Kokotkovia.
Looks like someone was playing with fire. Serves them right, hawking this chemical shit.
OK, shit. No, to je krásne, chlapci. A nezhorí celý les náhodou? Ajaj. Ajaj. Oh. Sorry. To nebolo na teba.
Did right. They got radios and guns. Put them out of their misery.
Nemáš ganu? Tu máš, chlapci. Je to lepšie ako horiť.
Туши огонь! Я пытаюсь!
Doorway, on me.
Не плачь, что я воевал, а не пожары тушил! Если сдохнешь, тебе никто не заплатит!
Now.
О, черт!
No. Ďakujem, že ste to urobili za mňa.
Element of surprise is not on our side, boys. Stay frosty.
Počkať. OK. Neviem, čo je horšie. Počkajte na mňa. Nie, toto. No, to som nechcela, som chcela to byť. Jaj, do piče. Oh.
Got an MG nest on that second deck!
He's dug in! Lay suppression
Okay,
and get up
okay.
there! Use the door frame to mount your gun
Ktože
and
tu...
stay in cover, Echo! Good suppression! Flank up and take him out!
Force out. We need to
Bože.
secure the gas before they move
What's
it.
in the open? Got a target!
Dobre, dobre. Ideme na nich. Už zistili, kde sme. Počúvaj. Ty kokotko.
Противник вышел из...
Ty si do...
Direct fire on that MG! Move with the lights off!
Target down! They're going between the buildings!
No, a to bude kedy.
Watch that! Push by that barrier! South side! Grenade!
Myslím, že odechne. Pekne. Pekne.
Check southwest, they're moving!
No a kedy to budeme pokračovať?
Got a target!
Suppress that MG! Push up! Get up there and shut
Kde sú všetci? Tuto som vždycky skapinala. Jak ešte žiješ? Ty skurvysyn. Strašne mi to seká. Ale že prečo?
Got a visual!
Got a visual? No, I don't.
Let's move!
Nikoho nevidím. Napríklad.
By that building! 10 meters out! Copy, sir!
Dobre.
Keep that MG
Keep busy and get up there!
No však dobre.
Got it!
MG down!
No,
Nice
nemáte zač. Podľa mňa. Podľa mňa som goat. Som koza proste.
Let's move!
Oh shit.
Our runners! They're breaking for the warehouse! Enemy to the west! Raj, I see him!
Let's
Cover me! Roger that! Got a runner! Got a target!
OK. No. Tak, hop. A ideme. To sme kde?
Clear!
Gas must be inside.
Unless we're too late.
Ja? Late? Nie som deglovička.
Clear! Clear! Clear!
Clear!
Chems may be inside. Masks up.
Oh. Rob. Teda Bob. Ooh,
Let's do this.
let's do this. Cítim sa jak v backroom s tou maskou. Oh shit.
They killed the power.
Go white light. On me.
White light.
It's pitch black in here. You hear that? Whoever killed the powers in here, I'm telling you, could have been the airstrike.
Now they're here.
Shit!
Hej!
See that?
Hej! Dobre. Ale ja sa bojím, prečo mám ísť prvá? Na toto je David dobrý, ísť prvý hororovka. Hej!
He's down.
Ja sa bojím. Okay. Ah!
Got him.
Sorry. To som sa zle... Ježiš. Dobre.
Moving on the catwalk. Got one moving to the
Čo?
ground.
Čo?
We lost him. We moved.
Čo? A to pomohlo, alebo? No, nevidím ten smysl. Na čo strieľam? Na čo strieľam? Nič nevidím. Kde je ten kokotko? Sa tam schováva, čo? Za papier. Vidím ho. Jaj! Jaj, bože. Poď sem. Oh! Damn. Do a split. I mean, do a flip.
Clear.
All clear.
Pohoda.
Let's get the power up. Shed some light, find this gas.
Roger 3-1.
Looking. On it. Checking for power.
Find the power. Locate the
Lights
gas.
coming
Let's hit the
on.
road.
Ja som lepšia proste. Hneď to bolo pred nami, Braško.
Hey! We got a problem. These guys are Russian army.
Kamo, mali sme jeden job.
3-1,
Job had
watch
one,
out.
bro.
Barkov's hired guns or Spetsnaz. We got Russian army KIA. We need to bug out now.
Negative.
Oh shit.
Command wants mission accomplished on this. Not our choice.
Never is. 3-1 out.
Verify
No,
this is what we came for.
смотрите.
We'll set the trucks for egress.
Raj,
Čo ideme? Oh. COVID testy. Let's go.
jackpot. PID in the gas.
To čo
Solid
znamená
copy,
PID?
3-1.
This?
Load up and get back to base.
Roger that. Let's move out.
This and dick. OK. Oh, poďme. No. No. Oh, OK, ideme sem. Dobre. Idem dopredu, I see you. Let's go,
All
baby girl.
stations, we are Oscar Mike to the RV. Watch your sectors.
Prečo mám ešte tie masky však?
Rally at the hook point for egress.
Let's go. Oh! Oh, wow! Wow! Wow, wow.
Back off! Back off!
Shit, let's go. Kto tam je? Oh, shit. Co to jeba?
Watch your to
Tak
3-1.
toto není dobré.
Alex, do you read? Over.
I got you. I got you, 3-1.
Ďakujem, ďakujem. You are real one.
Shit.
Čo? Čo? Nezomieraj.
Fuck is this?
Oh? the fuck is this? I would like to know too.
Sidi, Absara. Nano Russi. Marines. Amitat.
Uh-oh. Prečo si ma zakrial práve?
Varan.
Insurgent leader. To, čo som...
Yala.
Prečo je tam zavesený jak smetiar? Čo tebe? Toto ne. To neboli Rusi.
Echo 3-1 to Watcher.
Alex, what happened?
Terrorist attack. Multiple Marines KIA. Gas stolen. We need evac now.
Roger. Tracking multiple Russian forces headed your way. Sit
Super.
tight. We're pushing to you for fast exfil. Watch her out.
Oh shit.
This operation is now compartmentalized.
Moja obľúbená
What the hell does
ľuzba.
that mean?
Means you no longer have clearance, Colonel.
Those are my Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel, Laswell,
General, my men.
Norris, give us a minute.
Presne, drž piču muž.
Yes, ma'am.
Toto je ženská debata.
We've
Yes,
got a
ma'am.
situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.
No. Ajajaj. Ajajaj. Komu? John Pork voláme John Pork!
Where are you?
Tak John Price nič.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Word travels fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
Oh shit. Jaj.
When can you breathe?
Tátko? Čakaj. OK, papa. Tak a sme už teraz v presence.
Terror threat level is now critical. Possible multiple attackers. Bombers or something worse.
Do we have
Ej!
Negative, Sergeant.
Ej.
Unduly alarm the public.
terrorists know that too, sir?
Garrick, don't turn London into a war zone, clear?
Milujem ten
Yeah,
britský
Crystal.
accent.
Out.
Looks
Oh,
like
tak
we're on our own,
sexy.
lads.
We'll handle it.
Let's get it done, yeah?
A firm.
Sergeant,
OK.
heads up.
Takže
White van.
ideme ich hľadať.
Weapons in view.
That's
Kde?
them. Saber to Raven, white
Oh,
van, multiple
to sú
military
tie
age males, weapons visible, moving
Dajte.
to intercept.
Poďme.
Roger. Unless an attack is imminent, do not engage.
White van, left side.
Prestaň! On ma neutečie. Oh, nie, do špiču.
Police, freeze! Get your hands up now! Get down on the ground!
Hej. Nie! Nie. Oh. To bol dobrý nápad, Bráško, to bol dobrý. Proste pointa vyjebaná. Haló?
Saber 2, what the hell is going on down there?
There's
been a detonation
at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired. Officers down.
Kľud, všetci.
now.
Ja to vyrieším.
Take it to our home.
They're not done yet. Let's move.
Oh, hell no. Preboha. Počka, trošku mi to seka.
Which way? Get down, get down!
Počka, toto fakt jebnutá zbraň. Oh. Počkajte. Počkaj, musím si trošku upraviť audio. Dog effects. Trošku to znížime. Neviem, prečo mám cinematics na tak low. Tak dúfam, že si ich počula. No, toto neviem, ale dúfam, že mi to nebude sekať. Oh shit. Jakže som max. nad max. Multiplayer, ja som v živote nehrala multiplayer na... Kľud, som tu ja. Aj choď do piči.
Raven Saber 2. Hostages secure, one suspect KIA. Electronics store, north building.
Poďme sem. Jaj! Jaj! Prečo mi to tak seká? Jaj. Kto tu strieľa? Vonku. Koľko ich je tam? Však ja prisahám. Ich bolo takže traja v tej budove. Jak to, že ich je zrazu 500? Je to tá istá? Okay.
This is Saber 2, bookshop secure.
Dragunov. Čo tiebe? Tak ale to nechcem. To neviem čo. Čo? Neutralize terrorists, je? A o čo myslíš, že sa snažím? Hej, co to je? Však to sú naši, tak čo? Však klíč. Ježiši! Ne, zrovna mi to aj seklo. A to mňa zaujíma, že jak ich proste zavolali, že počúvaj Braško, teraz sa to stalo. Jaj, nesekaj. Jaj, sorry, to som nechcela. Ne! Allahu Akbar. Ježiši. Na nebičku. Ježišku. Ne, ne, ne. Ne. To sú takí tí samovražední bombery. Strašne ich neznášam. Proste, there's no way, že toto niekto chce urobiť. Toto možno aj pre mňa. Ježiši. Skat. Kto? Zachraň ju. Zachraň ju. Dobre, čo tu kričí? Počkaj, kam idete? What that mean? Tamto, okej, našli sme to. A tebe jebe. Ne, pán policaj. Pán Fizel. Pozri, jak mu nožka. Chúďatko môj. Nemolnuj, mám ťa. Ešte, že netmolnuje. Prosím, choďte, dostaňte ich. Dobre, sorry, už idem. Už fakt idem. Hostages. Dobre, let's go. Jaj! Seba. Či tebe? Oho.
Yes, sir.
Čau.
Captain Price,
Sergeant Garrick.
you with me?
Okej, jako... Say less, Braško. Fakt. Say less. Takže stretli sa mi moji dvaja? Dobre.
Hostages up top.
Okej. Ideme, počkaj. Tuto starky musí výjsť po schodoch. Pozri. Bere po jednom. Vôbec sa mne umierajú ľudia, alebo čo?
Get it off me! Please, get it off me!
Sergeant, I need you over
Kto je Jeffrey Epstein?
Help me! Tell me I'm not one of them!
Bože, strašne to seká.
All stations,
Pardon.
we have a man with a bomb strapped to him. Keep your distance. I don't want to die. I want to go home. What? I want to see my family. I want to see. Can you help him?
I'm trying.
Let me see my girls.
What's going on?
Oh shit.
I can't get it.
No time. Help me. Help me. Wait.
Braško, najdlhších 5 sekúnd môjho života. Au.
All stations. Bomb is clear. Prep medical are coming out. Hey, everybody stay calm. We're gonna get you out of here. You broken?
I'm good.
Dobre. Takže pohodinda. Wow. Ahoj, sexoš.
Save lives today, Sergeant.
Asi not a good time, že?
It shouldn't have happened in the first place, sir. They sent us in half-assed. So everyone can just keep pretending we're not at war.
No presne.
Yeah, like the fucking century, that is.
Why have we got our hands tied? Let's just take the bloody gloves off and fight. Sir.
Cool.
Papa Smurf.
We don't stand a chance in hell with these rules of engagement, Captain. They can tell us where, they can tell us when. Don't tell us how. I remember tracking that cell for weeks.
You had actual intel on this?
Quite a bit, sir.
Oh.
I get it. You're with me.
Počkaj, vibrátor mu vypluje. Volá John Porkovi zase.
Al-Qatala is claiming responsibility.
Oh, and orders from the Wolf.
Hold on.
Kazakhstan.
Alex is on the ground there looking for the stolen chems.
Well, he'll need the Liberation Force on his
Však ja, že
side,
boli
so
v
I can
Londýne.
contact the
Či to
CR.
neboli
You
oni?
know Commander Karim?
We're acquainted. Use my name, or they'll kill him.
What is your message from Captain?
Karim! Pardon, ja straš.
Commander Karim. Call me Alex.
I'm listening, Alex.
This is classified.
يلا ولد دامي جهزوا لي هالكم.
OK, takže ideme hľadať tie chemicals. Niekde do Urzikstánu.
48 hours ago, terrorists stole a shipment of Russian gas.
Only Al-Qatala would do this.
Al-Qatala je
The
arabská
Russians make no distinction between
teroristická.
Al-Qatala and your people.
And I make no distinction between Al-Qatala and the Russian army. They're both terrorists. We would never use these poisons.
And help us track it before they...
Before they what? Take it to Europe? Or America? We live like this every day.
Commander, it's time to go. Who is this?
Alex,
this
this
is
is my
Do.
brother and Lieutenant Hadir.
You are CIA?
He works with Captain Price.
Then you kill Russians, yes?
Môj
We have
job, bro.
friends who can help us. But your sister decides what's next.
Of course. My sister is in command. And the Russian army is still here.
Prekvapená, že
This
nechal ženu viesť.
occupation must end. That we can all agree on, yes?
Yes.
General Barkov's men control the city. We have plans to change that.
Oh,
We have
okay.
no missiles, but we have our ways.
Chcem raz
If you stay, we can help.
rozložiť mapu
But if you stay, you fight.
a spraviť plán.
Yelling out to him.
Skade sa naučil po arabsky.
Follow me.
Typek si spravil Duolingo. Pred týmto. Cením, cením.
These tunnels are our lifeline. We have intel Russian troop commanders are in town today. We're going to ambush them.
OK.
How?
Explosives.
That'll get their attention.
Like
And pull
explosive
security away from the
diarrhea.
Russian base, leaving it open to an attack.
We must hold nothing back.
Too far on
Okay.
that path, and we lose ourselves. Get set for the airbase attack.
Be safe. Alex, take these charges.
OK.
C4 with remote detonator.
Thanks.
Watch my sister. Good luck.
Dobre. OK, takže tuto to nechám a asi proste pôjdeme na ďalší part neskôr. A tuto to takto ukončím. Nech sú kratšie videá, nech to proste je akože po poriadku. Takže nejaký taký recap. Proste najprv sme išli s Alexom robiť nejakú mission, neviem kde, do piče, to je Urzix, Kastovie, Verdansk. To čo je? No to sú proste nejaké vymyslené krajiny, hej. A zistili sme, že tam nejaký ruský generál, nejaký genio proste si išiel odniesť nejaký plyn, nejaké chemikály proste ilegálne a my ich chceme dostať. Ale proste nejakí degeškovia niečo v Londýne robili. Neviem. Ja som myslela, že to bol ten gas, ale vlastne však nebol, keďže ho stále hľadáme. Čo bol v tom aute, tak ja neviem, že či s ním ušli, ale asi nie, asi to nezatrpali, to bolo niečo iné. Ale proste v UK boli teroristi, hej. A teraz pôjdeme na budúce do Urzikistánu, kde sa ten Alex spoznal s Karim, ktorá vlastne vedie ako keby odboj arabský. No, môžem to nazvať arabský? No, oni... Neviem, čo to je za krajina. Urzikistan actually neexistuje, mind that. Proste nejaký odboj voči tým teroristom, lebo proste v tom Urzikistáne sú Rusi, lebo však vidíme, že je to blízko Ruska. Alebo neviem, že či to... Neviem, či... Možno to je actually Rusko. Toto. Rusi a proste Al-Qatala, čo je taká arabská teroristická skupina. Takže hľadáme gas a ideme proste robiť nejaké vtipky. Takže ďakujem za pozeranie a čau!